Hello, beautiful dancing soul, and welcome to this dance routine tutorial to If I Start to Fall by Grace Honeywell. She's one of my dear friends, and this is genuinely one of my favorite songs of the last year, and it really brings me into my heart space. And so that's what this dance is designed to do. But it's not just a dance, it's also kind of like a stretch routine. So you can use it to help open your heart physically, and in doing so, because the physical and the metaphysical are one, you're opening your heart physically, and then you're also opening your heart metaphysically, emotionally, as you do this dance stretch routine. So normally I would show you the choreography first, but for this, because it's slower, we're actually doing the whole song, and so I'm gonna show it to you first, and we'll walk through it, because this is not about getting anything technically perfect at all. It's about learning the different moments and then having them so that you can play the song and have this just about 3-minute stretch, opening, connective mind, body, soul experience. So we begin holding ourselves. So go ahead and just wrap yourself up in a hug. I spent the last 2 years single and hugging myself. I noticed how much I missed physical touch, and hugging yourself can be a beautiful way to bring that sense of love to yourself, and even give myself some kisses on my arms. So you begin holding yourself in this hug position, and the head is down, and it's also kind of like bringing into a smallness so that we can get big and so that we can open. So we're holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I like to just sway like a tree in the breeze. And then you're gonna do that, and then she begins to sing. And you're gonna do that for the next 8 count too. So we do this for 2 8 counts, and it's really about centering in and getting that intention of moving into the heart space and into the energy of love and cultivating that right here for yourself, with yourself. It makes me emotional. So we're here. It makes me emotional. And we're holding for the first 2 8 counts. And I also want you to think about strong through the back. That's one of the things here, and so it can start however it needs to, but then as you're swaying, there's actually a lot of core engagement that I want you to be doing, core and back as well. So we're here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then she says, sing to me. And so this is the third 8 count, and you're gonna lift up your neck. And don't think of just like pinching or shooting that. Really think about lengthening the muscles in the front of the neck. And if you're like me, a person in the 21st century, you're on your phone, you're in this hunched over position a lot, and it makes these muscles really tight. And so this is about opening through here, opening through the neck. And you're gonna, so she says, sing to me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then should I start, and then the arms will come up, so you start to open and lift, and then as a collapse, should I start to fall, and then you come up, and then for the next 8 count, we're gonna do a side twist, so we open to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then the other side, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the next piece, your hand is going to come to your head and pull the head to the side while this arm comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's gonna open, and so you're gonna really using the back here, pull this arm back while you're holding here. You can even play with tilting that chin up and down as it feels good here in this opening, because the chest, right, it's all connected to the neck, the throat, the core, it's this whole area here. So because you want to have that stable base and then the freedom up here. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and dropping it down. And then on the other side, there's something about like the lyric is like breath and breathe. And then so you're up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it comes down. And then we get to, I believe it's called a bridge. And you're gonna grab your hands here, a bridge in the music, not the bridge pose in yoga. So you're gonna grab your hands behind your back, because that really allows, so think of the strong, strong core, breathing up into your chest, and then the arms are down and back, and nice and open through the heart. And she goes, da 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 dum. Da, 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 dum. And then we do 3, 6, 7, da, 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 2, 3, 4, and just a little step touch, 6, 7, 8. Light up the room, boom, and we cross. So take whatever side that you step over onto, the leg that's back, that's the one that goes under and wraps around and touches, or even if this is good, maybe you don't have the full wrap around to get the palms to get all the way together, but you just lift up here, that's all good. And so think tall and long, and then again with that navel to spine, you come forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So and then on the other side, again a lift, and then a coming down 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you've noticed, each of these we pretty much hold for an 8 count. This next one is the only one that we do for 4 and then 4. And what we do, so you just did whoop, and then you come down, and then you're gonna go down to the floor and twist open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to keep your hips as if you're still just standing here chilling. Nothing happens here. All of this is happening through the chest and through the spine. All of the twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then as a drop, and you come up, and then I like to end it with a little twirl. And then that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it with music, follow along, maybe do it once, kind of watching me, and then try to internalize it. Try not to learn it, try not to learn watching me. Try to learn it in your body, and then you'll have this whole dance that is yours to do. I love you so much. It is an absolute joy and pleasure to be here opening my heart with you. I love you. Enjoy.
Hold me closer, but don't